He's a fat boy. Look at him purr. He's a fat boy. Hi guys, it's Cheyenne. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really special announcement for you all. I'm actually part of Sweet Generation! The interview was really fun and everything, and I just went to their first workshop, and from the first workshop they let us choose like 600 ringgit worth of Etude House products, and this is what I got. Check it out, my Etude House haul. Actually, everything in here is worth 620 ringgit because they didn't have enough, so they topped up one more item, so it's all 620 ringgit. And yeah, it also includes skincare and makeup items. So if you want to know what's in here, then just keep on watching. So if you notice the background is different, where I am filming right now is different, it's because I am in my boyfriend's house. This is his cat, one of his cats. He has 4 of them. And yeah, I'm in his sister's room to film this because my house has no natural lighting, so I decided to come to his house and film this. This is Milo. Milo, say hi to the camera. He's purring. He's a really big boy. I'm actually allergic to cats, but like, I don't mind. Okay, bye Milo. How fat he is. Bye. Bye. There he goes. So the first item is the face blur. The Etude House face blur. This is actually a primer. It's for smoothing, pore hiding, and for tone up. I actually tried this before at the day, and it actually did blur out my pores. The next product we have is the double lasting foundation. So this foundation has a lot of like good reviews and stuff, and I've heard that they are gonna extend the line to 19 shades. I don't know if it's currently available or not, but there is 19 shades of this foundation, which is crazy for a K brand, and the shades actually run pretty deep, so you should try this out if you haven't. In fact, there's a cushion one available as well. This is their Proof 10 gel pencil liner, and it is so good. In fact, if you've never tried their Play 101 eyeliners, they're really good. You can use them for multi-use. You can use them for your lips, for your eyes, for your cheeks, anything. And like, the formula is really good. Like, this is how it looks like. The color I chose was rosy brown, which looks like a lovely brick terracotta shade. It's so pretty, and it's a really unique shade. That's why I chose it. It's really buttery and easy to apply, and it actually stays put, so if I rub it, it won't come off at all. Check it out. And it's waterproof as well, so it will stay put all day. Look at that. Another product that I got was this. This is the Curl Fix eyeliner, and this one is in the color Plum, which is really unique. And you know me, I do a lot of purple eye looks, so I wanted a colorful mascara. I'm gonna like smear it here. You can see that it's kind of like, it's very similar to the pen. It's a very red plum shade. It's really pretty. Can't wait to try this out. This is the Gradation contour wheel. There is 2 shades. One's the warm tone and the cool tone. I chose the cool tone because I personally want to contour with it, and I have a lot of warm tone bronzers already, so I chose this one. And this is how it looks like. You just swirl it around and then just apply it on your face. Cool. The next product I'm really excited about is the Mirror Holic Liquid Eyes. It's a liquid eyeshadow. The packaging is really pretty. It's holographic, and this one is in the shade Crystal Shoes. So this one is like a white glitter with hollow flakes of it. Next product is a lip product. So this is the Play Color Lip and Cheek. Look at it. This one is in the shade Cake Shop. There's 2 palettes. One is Tea Time and the other is Cake Shop. Cake Shop is the pinky one, and Tea Time is the beige, more natural tones. It has peachy, beige, more natural tones. This one is all pink. So here's how it looks like. The last makeup product is something I previewed in my Instagram stories, and a few people actually asked what it was, and this is it. This is the Play Color Multi Palette in Spangle Dressroom. I believe it's out right now. It's so gorgeous. So I believe there's 3 multi-palettes. So there's 3 multi-palettes and another 2 eyeshadow palettes which have much more shades. It doesn't have the blusher, but it has more eyeshadow shades. This is how the palette looks like. It's all shimmer, and these 2 are highlight. This blush is shimmery, this is a highlight shade, and all of these shades are shimmery and gorgeous. Can you see that? Like, wow. Come on. Come on, Pigman. These are some of the shades swatch on my fingers. Can you see how blinding they are? Like, what? That's crazy. That gold especially is really sparkly. So I can't wait to play with this palette. If you want a review of any of these products, just comment down below which product you'd like to see, and I'll do a video on it, perhaps. So good. So pretty. So pretty. I can't deal, man. Now we're moving on to the skincare products. The first one is the Dark Cloud Mask. This is a clay mask. I believe this is a bubble mask to target your pores, and yeah, it's a bubble mask.
Okay, so at the time of filming, I have no idea where my SoonJung cleanser went. I actually did try this out, and it really was really moisturizing, and it didn't really strip out any dryness from my skin, and it's really good. And so that's it. That is my Etude house haul. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!